Barbie Ferreira, also known as Barbara Linhares Ferreira, is an American model, actress, Instagrammer, YouTuber, and social media personality. She name is Barbie Ferreira. Full name is Barbara Linhares Ferreira. Net worth 3 million US dollar. Date of birth 14 December 1996. Current age 26 years old. Birthplace New York, United States. Currently live in Maywood, New Jersey. She is model, actress, Instagrammer, YouTuber and social media personality. Years active 2016 to present. Nationality is an American and Brazilian. Ethnicity Brazilian American descent. Hometown Queens, New York. Zodiac sign Sagittarius. Qualification graduate. Her mother name Mrs. Ferreira. Boyfriend name Elle Puckett. She is still unmarried by the marital status. Height 176 cm. Weight 98 kg. Eye color blistering light brown. Hair color dark brown. Hobbies reading and artwork. Favorite destination is Paris. Favorite food pizza, fries and ice cream. And her favorite color is black. So guys, this was the video of the day, and what's your feeling about our videos? So tell me in the comment box. And if you want to watch more this type of videos or celebrities, facts and news, so don't forget to press the bell icon, and see you again in the next video, and take care, all the best.